Section we're going to talk about parabolics. Parabolics is a shape that we didn't cover in the first DVD, and it's really a shape that we need to cover. It's used in many different applications in the commercial field and also in craft work. If we use these as examples, we've got this vase which has a parabolic body to it. It's the same for this urn. This is also a parabolic. And then if we move on to more commercial applications, we have aircraft spinners, and then in this case, which is a light shade or a light fitting. The parabolic shape that we're going to use for the demonstration is this 8-inch deep, and it also has an 8-inch opening on the base here. We won't be spinning it all the way down to the end of the tool. We're going to drop it short, maybe an inch, inch and a half. Now, you can be forgiven for thinking that the circle size for spinning a parabolic is going to be a lot larger than the actual size you need. For this one, for instance, which is 8-inch deep and then has an 8-inch diameter mouth, I'm only going to be using a 9.5-inch diameter circle. Now, the reason for that is when we spin this down, we're not actually spinning any of the excess material. We're only going to be spinning the material that we're working, which means that this outside diameter will never really deform until we get down to the last 2 or 3 inches. When we spin it, as you'll see in the demonstration, the excess material is going to be stood up at 90 degrees, which is what we want. We don't want to be spinning it to a 45. We're going to try and take the part down all the way without deforming the excess material.